All right, guys. So I'm going to talk about the two different ways to write the structural formulas for C₄H₁. These are the two, what they call isomers. Isomers of C₄H₁. That's an E. There we go. So the first way is to put your 4 carbons in a row like this, where you have a carbon backbone 4 carbons long, and then saturate with hydrogens. So this is what they call a saturated hydrocarbon, because each atom makes the most number of bonds to the most number of atoms that it can. Okay, so each atom here, each carbon is bonded to 4 other atoms and saturated with hydrogens. The other way a lot of people make is they make an actual mistake and they form a carbon backbone like this and then put a carbon up above there. And I'm gonna draw it, but this is really the exact same way as the first one. There we go. But what ends up happening here is, you see, we have the same thing, 4 carbons in a row connected to each other, saturated with hydrogens. So these are the exact same compounds. This is both butane. That's what this compound is called, butane. Now, the way to make it different is to switch up where, let's see if I can do this, where this carbon group is. Oh, I almost did it. Let's see, and move this over here. So now what you have is you have a 3 carbon chain, and I'm going to put this last hydrogen on, 3 carbon chain in a row. So you have only have 1, 2, 3 carbons in a row, either way you look, and you have that carbon coming off of the middle chain, the middle carbon. So this is what they call isobutane. Okay, that's isobutane, or also 2-methylpropane is another name for it, but I like to call it isobutane because you got your 4 carbon groups. So these are the 2 ways to make the isomers of C₄H₁. Thanks, guys.